Today we are going to install the WATCHGUARD FIREBOX T20 into the RM-WG-T6 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the WATCHGUARD appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch WATCHGUARD rack mount kit, 6 Cat6 cables, 1 USB cable, 5 zip ties, 2 bolts, an Allen and Torx key, front port labels, and installation instructions. We have the WATCHGUARD appliance, and what we want to do is remove the 4 rubber feet. Remove the 2 bolts from both sides of the appliance with the Torx key. Place the appliance in the left-hand side of the rack, with the connections facing towards the back. Use the provided bolts to secure the appliance to the rack mount kit. Once the bolt is tight, the appliance is secured. Now we are ready to connect the cables. Start by plugging in the far right coupler on the rack and into the far right port of the appliance. Plug in the remaining cables sequentially. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Use the 2 zip ties provided to secure the cables together. Now we are ready to place the front port stickers on the front of the rack above the couplers. You can now plug in the power supply. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.